I'm here to do a vlog in YY duct fabrication. This is the first time starting a vlog with Chaim. He insists we have to do Chaim before the vlog. So I said, you know what, let's start the vlog with Chaim.
Of course. The guy has a Hava minute to start without Chaim.
This
I
is
didn't even know where this comes from.
1, 2, 3, and Chaim. Look at this. He has enough L'chaim to do vlogs here every single day. He ain't running out of L'chaims. He ain't running out of vlogs. Shulam Ram, we have enough for you too.
Don't show them that bottle. Not that bottle.
Which one?
Not that one.
Which one?
I don't know.
So Kevin, this is going to be an awesome vlog. This guy has a massive warehouse under where we're standing. 3 warehouses. How many warehouses on there?
3 warehouses.
3 warehouses. Some crazy stuff. Probably the only Heimish guy here in the area who produces HVAC ducts. That's something insane. On the spot. Same day, the next day, popcorn it out. I'm down for this vlog. It's hot outside. It's the summer now. The Oim can get the AC. And the Oilum is looking forward for some good
In the summer, everybody's going to relate. Let's do it.
Kevin, let's do this. This guy's up to energy. This guy is up to some energy over here. Let's dive in over here and let's do this. This guy's excited. Moshe's excited.
Let's go. Let's show them.
All right. Here we are. A minute. Let's stop over here a minute before we go out, Moshe.
Oh, so here.
Right here. YY bunker duct fabrication HVAC supply. So basically, here in the summer, I didn't know you split units also?
This is the supply house. This is where we sell everything that an AC contractor needs, from soup to nuts, like I always say. The AC unit, the copper, the pipes, what else? Freon over here. Really? Everything you need, everything. The VRF system, anything you need for your AC, yeah.
That's crazy. So a guy comes in as a supplier, he wants to buy HVAC. So he sits down with you right here, and you go through the process with him?
Sits down here, we give him a cup of coffee, right here, and he orders whatever he needs, soups to nuts, everything he needs, and then we take him to the duct fabrication shop, and we show him the ductwork. Everything he needs for his AC project, we take care of it from A to Z. That's what we do.
That's insane. I didn't know how much a guy pulls off these massive projects. It's insane. Moshe?
AC is controlled, I'm telling you, AC in Manhattan is controlled by Borough Park. You should know that.
Legit. Skype?
Not joking.
Skyscrapers in Manhattan are controlled by Borough Park.
The AC, Borough Park. 100%.
Wow.
But today, more than all this AC stuff, who cares about that? Today we want to introduce our new partner here, Chaim Friedman. He's the new face of the company. He's going to show everything.
Chaim Friedman it is. I'm Chaim Friedman. I'm here to serve you, everybody. All the duct fabrication you need, all AC contractors. It's a phone call away, 347-930-7560. Call us, message me, we'll take care of you. Of course, WhatsApp away, that's it. Okay, Chaim Friedman, I managed for 16 years. I took care of my clients like VIP, everyone, whether big or small. I took care of them. They know my phone number. They used to call me. I took care of them A through Z, top notch, the bottom, doesn't matter. Small client.
Soup the nuts.
Bottom line, everything. So right now we're going to have here implement everything in the HVAC service, everything from A through Z. We're going to take care of every client like they king.
Let's go.
That's why I'm here. It's a WhatsApp away.
Let's do this.
As you can see, we do specialty stuff also. This is a drip pan with a drain to it. Real specialty items here. This is oval duct. Let's see if you can see it a little better. We make beautiful oval duct, spiral duct, all the specialty items.
So oval ducts you can't find anywhere. It's a very hard item.
Don't say anywhere. You know what I'm saying?
Anywhere over here in the canal.
It's like
Chaim, as you can see, zoom in a little bit. Look at this plasma machine. It cuts laser cuts all the way exactly what a customer needs. And mom makes sure not to lose an inch. It cuts exactly what it has to, and whatever it doesn't have to, it does not have to. It cuts straight exactly what the customer needs. The sugar today.
So with the laser custom
cut
mill.
all the way. It's a food. 1, 2, 3.
Not normal. Not normal. So everything over here is custom made.
You just stand here for hours and just check what's going on. It's amazing.
Look at that. So everything here is custom made to the customer.
Everything is custom made. Yes, there's no such
Nothing here is stock.
Everything whatever the customer sends in, we price it quickly, and then we stock here in the shop. We knock it out and we send it out to the customer as soon as possible.
Wow.
That's our idea. That's what we're here for.
Nice.
And he doesn't have the...
He doesn't have the mic. I'll give him the mic and hear him dance over there, sing some songs. Anyway, what else is doing over here, Moshe? Can I see this machine?
It's booming.
What's this machine over here? You put one piece over here? This pulls it up into pieces, huh?
Everything. I have no idea what it does. I need to figure out what it does first for you.
Oh, Moshe. This is crazy. Not normal. All right,
let's go to the popcorn machine. Let's go to the popcorn machine.
So this is where they make the ducts. Now let's go to the popcorn situations.
Just don't release it on Tisha B'Av when we talk about popcorn. People are going to get hungry. I don't want to do that. Make sure you don't do that.
He's outside. Duct, fabric, and HVAC. Where's the YY bunker?
Why are you showing only one building? You can't show them the other building.
All right, we'll get there, Moshe. Taragua. Look at this, look at these big buildings over here. Vegas ook jeden finish the market. Jeden find the market over here.
You're going to talk about the panels business, or we're not going to talk about
Let's
it?
talk about the panels.
No, let's not talk about the panels.
Okay, let's not talk about
if
the panels.
If somebody wants panels, let them go someplace else.
What do you mean?
know what I'm saying?
You do panels too?
No, we don't talk about that here. We don't talk about that today. We don't talk about that.
All right, have a whole panel business, but we're not talking about that today. Cheers business too. What's that?
We don't know.
Moshe, where do you run?
Alle gute Sachen. You know what I'm
do
saying?
cheers too?
If you need cheers for sickness, you need cheers. You know what I'm
What does
saying?
that have to do with air conditioning?
No. It doesn't. I'll tell you why. Because when we give you cheers, then you remember that sickness is very hot, so you reach out to us. You need AC in your sicker.
You do AC
then you
in
call.
sicker?
No, I don't. But then I hook you up with the AC contract, and then he buys duct from me. That's it. That's the whole thing. The answer is that. There's a whole reason about the cheers. You understand? It's just to sell AC. Duct.
Duct
AC.
for the AC.
Second.
All right, Moshe, up to the next.
Let's go to the popcorn. We said popcorn. We promised popcorn. We're gonna keep the popcorn. We're not gonna lie about popcorn.
Moshe, what gives you so much energy in this place? What is it about the ducts that you fill up with energy?
Yeah, I'll tell you a story.
Let me hear the story.
I got married when I was 17. When I got married, I told my wife that I want to work in construction. But my wife was a Yerushalayim vibe. She told me, construction, your pants are gonna be dirty every day. So for 20 years, first 20 years of my life, I didn't work in construction. I so much wanted, not 20, 10. I so much wanted to go to, the minute I went into the construction, it's like a spring that got released. Guys, that's it.
Every day is gonna come up.
I love construction, it's beautiful.
What did you do before this?
I sold cake for Backerman.
Backerman in
Backerman's cake. No, here. Ackerman, whatever, yeah, no.
In Williamsburg?
Yeah, I sold cake. No, not for the bakery. So let's not talk politics. I said for the
all right.
So this is our new thing. This is our new baby over here. This is our new baby. This is our Louvers that we just started fabricating Louvers too.
Louvers?
So this now we can say officially one-stop shop. You come here, you get from us not only the ductwork, also the Louvers, A to Z. Show them this Louver. Look how beautiful this Louver is.
Wow. So
you ever saw a Louver like this in your life?
Louvre, Moshe.
When outside the mikveh, you'll always see these things.
So outside the mikveh, outside bakeries, outside
Everything,
stores,
you'll always see these things. Yeah, of course.
Nice.
Always. Let's show them the dampers. Chaim, we didn't show them dampers, Chaim.
Okay, Chaim, what's doing? So here we fabricate all type of dampers, custom made. It's all custom made. It's not like one size fits all. It's every one. It's for the same, for the job that's needed. It's not stam dampers. These are high quality aluminum dampers. You can't find anywhere, mamish. This is next level. These are not from China or whatever. This is American made right here on the spot. We made it, make it for you, we fabricate it for you, and we have it ready for you. Beautiful, next level, all type of sizes. You see what's going on? That's a small one, that's a big one. There's a small, tiny one right here. That's crazy. You think they can be produced? These are all produced, everything for the customer, the client's needs. Ready to roll.
Once we have these, the dampers and the louvers, that's when we can officially say one-stop shop, everything under the same roof. Everything from A to Z. Here's more dampers. Here, look at this, right? Chaim, this is the order that we got today, right?
That came in today.
This is the order
today, yes.
that somebody ordered from Chaim earlier today, and now it's already here fabricated. You understand? It's boom, boom, boom. There's no lead time, nothing.
Collect like popcorn.
100%, 100%. The popcorn machine is that one. You're confusing it. It's not a popcorn machine. This hard-working labor. This the guy's working. He's sweating his head off. Smoke. The only thing I can say about this, the damper side of the business, you saw over there. You saw all the machines are brand new. We bought everything in the last 2-3 years. Over here, Baruch Hashem, it's like these are older than me. You know what I'm saying? Now, why did I do it? I'll explain. Every day I walk into the business and I feel like Alter Yid. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's younger than me. All the machines are younger than me. Baruch Hashem, I come here, I look next to this machine, and I say, you know what I'm saying? This machine is older than me. Makes me feel young. It makes me feel this. That's why we're not replacing it yet. This Ford, yeah. This was made
1800.
When dan Seide noch gewesen in Europe. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry. But what it does, this machinery is like next level. There's nothing like it.
No,
all
100%.
machineries, there's nothing like it. It's like reducing, tang, tang, tang. That's what you need for bang, bang, bang.
The old machines don't die. That's the thing. They don't die.
Yes.
They work like, look at this. Show them. It's like going into a museum. Look. It's a piece of history. Chalamoid was selling tickets, by the way. Chalamoid was selling tickets. But reach out to Chaim. Do me a favor. Leave me alone.
All slots are filling up, so you gotta be quick. Chaim was doing, as you see, this big, huge machine. What's going on over here? It knows exactly what type of gauge, when it comes to all this type of duct, you need this different type of gauge.
So each roll is a different gauge? How much do they weigh?
A lot. You can live with 100 people. The idea is the machine knows exactly what type of gauge you need. You put it into the system, and that's why it's called the popcorn machine, because it pops, pop, pop. And that's why we pop and rock and roll. You just take the whole piece of metal. It moves it automatically over here from one side to the other side. It pushes over here, and it does all kinds of finishes that it needs. It goes bam, 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 bam. This is how we're rolling.
Not normal. So it's all custom made.
Look. It goes a whole conveyor belt. Everything by itself. You only want to touch it. And
not normal.
You come here to the other side, and look at the magic. Look at this magic.
This is crazy.
1 minute.
Not normal. So pushes the whole thing here.
1 second. See what's coming over there.
The machine can like him.
This is a push, give it a second.
Wow.
You see, it comes started with all the finishes over here.
Oh, so all the bends in the middle.
Look what's
Have you ever
going
wondered
on.
how the duct is made? This is how it's made.
It bangs it.
Wow. This is crazy.
And that's it, it's ready.
And they're
Just
ready
have to
duct.
finish it off, and that's it. And it's ready to roll. This is how the machine rolls.
It's
Stop,
not
stop, stop, and
normal.
it knocks out pieces. And when we say for our customer, you order today, you get it the next day, you are getting it next day, because look what's going on. This a few hours ago it was empty, and this is going to be very full soon. And this was knocked out before. This is a different customer. He wants it half away. That's what we hear. We rock and roll, knock and stick it. That's
so
what we do.
customers call you up with huge projects, and you can legit have it done the next day.
That's what we do. That's what we hear. That's what I am here for. Yes.
That's crazy.
Knock
That's
it
crazy.
out.
Knock it out. Popcorn it out, like Moshe
That's it.
says. Get the job done. Moshe wants to show
I
us
want to show you a
something.
secret.
All right, put on the Michael over there. What do you want to show us?
People don't know, especially now, I don't know when you're posted, but now the recording, it's the 9 days. And I want to show you, people don't know how all the music, the vocal music is done. I'll show them how it's done, it's very simple. It was all me and Chaim, we started it. Chaim was here, he was knocking with the hammer. He was knocking here on the table. And I was doing this as well, and that's why I made all the vocal music. So all the songs now, it's all us, 100%, A to Z, A to Z.
I love it. Sing a song with it.
All the singers pretend that, you want to embarrass me really, do me a favor, you know what I'm saying? Listen, all the singers, they pretend that they do it in their thing. They all come here to record their videos, right? We all do it here. This is the drum, this is the...
Ba-da-bam, ba-bam, bam, ba-da-bam. L'chaim.
Chaim, good job.
All right, 1 minute. Now let's go to your office. I still have to hide the card.
Oh yeah, let's do it,
I want to
let's
hide
go.
the card in your office and
Let's
see who's
go.
going to get it.
Chaim,
All right,
let's-
Moshe, back in the office.
Back into the office, let's do it, back
All right,
into
so
the
1 minute I
office.
said I'm going to hide the card.
Where are you gonna hide it?
I'm hiding in Gemara.
Okay,
You don't use that too often, right? Chaz v'shur.
Every
day this
single,
guy
every
pounds away.
single,
That's you me every day.
100%.
I'm going to put it in the
Don't
front.
show them which Masechta, they're gonna see it's not that Fiomi now, you know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
And the Gemara stays right over here. Come out to his office, grab the Gemara, open it up, and get your card $200 to buy some bourbon. So Chaim,
Now, jetzt kann ich nicht lernen now, I'm afraid the card's gonna fall out.
so let's wrap this up at that knack. What you showed me is mind blowing. What you two guys put up over here in the center of Brooklyn, I mean, like, wow. Let's say the address so that we can come get the card.
Okay,
What's the address?
14 Preston, 14 Preston.
Oh, no, let's see who's the first one to come. That's the
Let's
game.
see. Okay.
14
Preston Court.
Preston Court. No, not Preston.
Preston Court,
Preston
yeah.
Court is like in Canarsie situation.
Canarsie, Kings Highway,
Kings
Kings
Highway.
Highway area, yeah, Kings Highway,
That-
52.
52.
If you live in Bar Park, it's called Flatbush, 100%.
Flat lands, flat Canarsie. So let's go over a little the business now
Yeah.
with you once we're sitting with the Ruakite. So you produce ducts and any air conditioning thing anybody needs for any company. So you talk about
Anything that an AC contractor needs, we make sure we cater them from soup to nuts, everything A to Z.
A to Z.
That's what we do,
So guy who's doing HVAC, this is the one-stop shop for him.
100%. Yep.
Yes.
Wow. So followers out there, lots of them are HVAC guys. Now, what's some guys in Muncie, upstate?
Sorry, let me bother you a little. Whoever's not an HVAC guy should start doing HVAC. You know what I'm saying? It's about time. You start doing HVAC.
About time you start doing
Now's the
HVAC.
time. It's summertime. Hello. Don't
Okay, it's
start,
hot out there.
panic.
What's
Time
with Muncie, upstate, Lakewood? You cater out of New York City.
Yes, we do. Of course, we do.
Let's hear.
Hello.
Let's hear a little about it.
Yes, of course. So we cater obviously over here, New York, surrounding areas, Bar Park, Flatbush, Williamsburg, and we go Muncie,
Monroe.
Kerrisyoil, Monroe, and upstate also, and then all over New Jersey as well. And guys, if you have in Florida a job, we are not shy to send even to Florida.
Oh,
And somebody
Joey.
called me the other day, want some Texas. I said, Texas all over. We are all over for you. Don't worry.
Ship to Texas?
We can ship to Texas, not for $200, don't worry, but give in a nice order, we'll pop it out like popcorn, and we'll send it to you the next day.
I think Okeechobee needs some AC.
Okeechobee is around the corner.
I was in Okeechobee. I was
Really?
there. Yeah, I was there. I went there special.
What do you say?
Zayashine, beautiful, very nice.
I'll give it over.
Okay, so any type of ductwork, if you need, it's a phone call away. Text away, 347-930-7560. I want to hear from you.